Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we are taking a look at a 2015 Transcraft 48 by 102 piggyback trailer. Folks, this is a spring ride tandem, all steel, has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. This unit is in phenomenal condition. As you can see, those bottom rails, everything has been recoated. It's in phenomenal condition. Rotating around to the kingpin plate, you can see how nice and flat, ready to come work for you. This is a steel trailer with a wood deck. Excellent, beautiful headboard. As we come back to this sliding tandem spring ride, you can see the tire condition is in phenomenal shape. Steel refurbed rims. Almost like brand new tires, folks. As we climb up underneath, you can see the brake condition is 90% or better. These units are almost looking brand new for 2015s. As we get to the back of the trailer, you can see the universal mounting kit. This will carry a Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, and many other brands. You can see the wood deck condition is in phenomenal shape. I rotate around here, you can see a Moffett in the background. We have hundreds available in stock to choose from. Princeton's, Moffett's, Load Macs, many other brands for you to pick from if you need a combination package. As I come back to the trailer, you can see matching tires all the way around on this tandem sliding spring ride suspension. The tire condition is almost like brand new all the way around. All of our units do get brand new straps. This unit does have a brand new buyer's toolbox. As you can see, the condition is in phenomenal shape. The gears on the landing gear have been checked. Everything's working and ready to come work for you. You can take a look at 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. This is Equipment Remarketing. Take a look at package deal possibilities, or even if it's just a single unit you need, let us know what you need. We'll see what we got available for you and help you out. Thank you.